Modern gamers are conflicted about whether to choose PC or consoles. So this video will help you to clarify your choice. In this video, I'm gonna compare those two platforms and the hardware, graphics, price, user experience, exclusives and multi-platform games. So stay tuned. At first, I'm gonna take a look at the pros of a console. The first pro about consoles is a level playing field. In PC, someone can have a higher frame rate, higher render distance or different accessories which unlevel the playing field. In consoles, you don't have to worry about any of those things, cause everybody has the same exact console. Second pro is consoles are living room friendly, which means you can connect your console to TV and play games in couch, and that's really cool. And the next pro about consoles is consoles are really cheap in price. Current generation consoles are pretty much costing around $400. A good gaming PC will cost more than $1,000. And the next pro is you don't have to worry about your specifications like on PC. If you bought a game for your console, it's definitely gonna work. In PC, sometimes games can crash or lag. And the sixth pro is there are many more players on consoles than the PC, but they can be younger but more of them. And the seventh pro is you can buy used games instead of paying $60 per each game. And the last pro about consoles is exclusives run much better on consoles. As an example, Uncharted 4 is running 1080p at 60 FPS on PS4. And those are all of the pros that we have with the console. Now we're gonna take a look at the cons of console. The first con is you cannot upgrade your console. If you bought a console, you have to spend next 6 or 7 years with that console without upgrading. In PC, you can upgrade your PC. And the second con is consoles are not backward compatible. As an example, if you have a massive collection of games in Xbox 360, after buying an Xbox One, any of those games are not gonna work for the Xbox One. And the third con is consoles have limited accessories, which means you cannot connect driver setups or joystick setups to your console. It's impossible. And the fourth con is there are no great game sales. In PC, there are game sales like 75% off on Steam. In consoles, you cannot find something like that. The last con that we have is you have to pay for online. In PS4, you have to pay $50 per year. In Xbox One, you have to pay $60 per year. In PC, you don't have to pay for online. Now we're gonna take a look at the PC side. And the first pro about PC is graphics are much better on the PC than the consoles. And also you can play games more than 60 FPS, but consoles you are locked on 30 FPS. And the second pro is upgradability and the customizability. And if your PC is running out of memory, you can add another hard drive. And after 4 or 5 years buying your PC, if you want to play the latest games on higher resolution and higher frame rates, you can stick another graphic card and do that on PC. The third pro is PC platform is really scalable. You can build a PC for like $150 or you can build a wicked gaming PC for like $4,000, and it's really cool. The fourth pro is in PC you can do stuff like video editing or graphic designing, and it's impossible to do video editing on a console. The next pro about PC is mods. There are tons and tons of mods for games like Minecraft on PC, but in consoles there are no mods. And the sixth pro about PC is cheaper games. You can buy games from external sites like G2A.com, GreenManGaming.com or Humble Bundles. The games are like 15% off. And the last pro about PCs is there are in-browser games on PC. In low-end computers like Chromebook, you can play those games without any lag. Those are all of the pros that we have for the PC. Now we're gonna take a look at the cons of a PC. And the first con about PC is the annoying driver updates. If you are not gonna update your drivers in the correct time, you are gonna be in huge trouble. And the second con about PC is there are game crashes on PC, and they will really distract your experience. Third con is because of the game developers are focused more on consoles than the PC, you're gonna find broken games on PC like Batman Arkham Knight and Mortal Kombat X. And the last con about the PC is there are more hackers on PC than the consoles. Even in higher computer levels, in PC you're gonna find more hackers. To all of those pros and cons stuff, now we're gonna move to the most important part of this video. And now I'm gonna tell you which platform should you buy. If you're not a hardcore gamer and if you buy only 4 to 5 games per year, consoles is gonna do a lot better for you. And if you are a hardcore gamer and if you buy 10 to 12 games per year, I recommend you to buy a PC. And now we have moved to the end of this video, and if this video was helpful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want more future videos, make sure to subscribe. And if you guys have more things to add to this video, tell me those in the comments below, and thanks for watching guys, this is Captain SL.